Hello guys, welcome to my Java session. In today's session, I'm going to explain the topic called accessing and setting instance variables. To do so, you need to create your own object with class and instance variables defined in it. But how do you work with those variables? For this, you have the answer the same way, just like local variables, you can use class and instance variables. For example, you can use them in the expressions, assign values to them in statements. This is how you can use class and instance variables, guys. Now getting values. To get to the value of an instance variable, how to get the value of an instance variable? You use an expression in what is called a dot notation. See, to get the value of an instance variable, make sure that you are using the dot notation. Here we have the example. With dot notation, the reference to an instance are class variable has two parts, the object on the left side of the dot and the variable on the right side of the dot. See guys, in this example with the dot notation, why we use dot notation? To get the value of an instance variable. Now for this dot notation we have two parts. What are those? The object on the left side of the dot. The object on the left side of the dot. Here we have the dot notation for that object of the left side of the dot. This is the first part, and the variable on the right side of the dot. This is the second part, variable on the right side of the dot. Now what actually dot notation? Dot notation is a way to refer to an object's instance variables and methods using dot. So it is one way to refer to an object's instance variables and methods using dot operator. You can see here we used the dot operator here. Now changing values. Assigning a values to that variable is equally easy. Just tag an assignment operator on the right side of the expression. Now how to assign a values to your instance variable? So it is very simple, it is equal easy. Just tag an assignment operator on the right side of the expression. See here we have the example. In that example, right side of the expression we are using the assignment operator here. You can see here. Okay, and assign a value. Here my value is 5. You can change that value at any time in the program based on your necessity. Now the same everything we will see with a practical program. Now this is the complete program for the topic accessing and setting instance variable. Changing values also I mentioned here. We will see here in this example program. It tests and modifies the instance variables in a point object. Point is a part of the java.awt package. Here we used the awt package. We are working with the point object. That is what java.awt package we are importing here. This java.awt package, it refers to a coordinate point with an x and y value. If we are working with the point object, means we'll be having coordinates 2 points x and y. Okay, you can see here I am creating an object of the class here. I have the instance variable. Now I have values for my coordinate points x and y, both here 10, 10. Now how to access those values with the dot notation? Here I am accessing the instance variables with the dot notation and their values. The point on the left side, the object instance, it is x is a variable right side of a dot. In the same way, for y we have the point dot y. Later we are changing the values or setting the values, setting x to y. Previously we had 10 comma 10, that is 10 for x and 10 for y. Here we are changing, assigning values. Instead of 10, here I am assigning 5. You can see here I am setting 5 on the right side of operator, assignment operator. 5 I used. In the same way for y I am setting the value, that is 15. The both values I am printing here, the point dot x, the point dot y, both the values I am printing. Can we see the output now? See guys, here we have the output. Initial values for point x signed y we have 10 and 10. Later setting x to 5 and y as 15, and we printed their values, same we got. This is how we can set the values for instance variables, and we can access those with the dot notation. This is the class for the day guys.